Let us see today the difference between photosynthesis and respiration. As you can see here, the photosynthesis takes place in the chloroplast present in the chlorophyll, which is mostly found in the leaves. Both photosynthesis and respiration are the important process that takes place in plants. But in many aspects, they are in opposite process. Let us see that the end product of one process are the raw material of the other process. That means they both are interconnected and complementary to each other. The difference are mostly the photosynthesis occur in green plant in presence of sunlight, whereas in respiration it occur both in plants and animals in day as well as at the night time also you can see. Now these occur in chlorophyll bearing the cells of green plants, whereas respiration occurs both in all living organisms, all the living cells. It is an anabolic process in which the organic compound, that is sugar, is synthesized from the inorganic substances such as carbon dioxide and the water molecules, as you can see here. Now, whereas in respiration it is a catabolic process in which the complex organic substances, that is sugar, is broken down in simple substances by utilizing carbon dioxide and water and giving energy as the end product. These photosynthesis help in synthesis of food materials. Their dry weight of the plants and increases as the preparation of the food takes place through photosynthesis. Whereas in respiration, due to utilization of the food materials, the dry weight of the plant decreases. Though they both are the important process, play a significant role in maintaining and complementing each other. So this is how the difference between the photosynthesis and respiration. Respiration in plants takes place through the specialized cells, that is the tiny pores present on the surface of the epidermis cell of a leaf called as the stomata, which is helped mostly in the exchange of gases during the photosynthesis. I hope this was very useful. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get the latest notification. And thank you for supporting this channel.